Every process begins where nature still rules.
Only specific species are selected under strict control.
Precision ensures safety for both handler and animal.
Every specimen is recorded before it ever moves.
Respiration steady, skin clear. Only healthy specimens proceed further.
Conditions are stabilized immediately after capture.
Even here, balance is engineered.
Uniform batches ensure consistent processing later.
Nothing moves without full containment. Traceability is non-negotiable. The journey to the facility begins here. Nature gives way to industry. Everything is prepared for controlled transport.
Transport begins under controlled isolation.
Movement is monitored even in transit.
Everything is stamped and accounted for right here.
All right, looks good. Every kilometer is documented.
Integrity is confirmed at each stage.
The facility draws closer.
Conditions never fluctuate.
Industry replaces wilderness.
Access is tightly controlled.
Nothing enters unchecked.
Transfer begins at the dock.
Final verification before entry.
The cargo crosses the threshold.
Processing is about to begin.
Before processing, control tightens further. Cleanliness begins at the surface.
No seal is broken without record.
Handling remains calm and deliberate.
Status screen confirmed. Health is confirmed again.
Even containment is cleaned. Nothing unwanted enters the system.
Moisture is eliminated.
Sorting defines the process path.
Every batch gains a new identity.
Only cleared batches move on.
The line advances forward.
The heart of the factory awaits. Here, tradition meets controlled engineering. Positioning defines precision.
The base is refined before infusion.
Nothing flows without sealing. The process begins under containment.
Time is the silent ingredient. Infusion begins slowly.
Balance is constantly corrected.
Human judgment still matters.
Purity is maintained in motion.
The first stage is complete.
Nothing is wasted. The process moves forward. Secondary processing refines what has begun. Conditions shift from action to patience. Movement gives way to stillness. Renewal deepens extraction.
Clarity is engineered, not assumed.
Time now does the work.
Stability protects quality. Transformation becomes visible. Motion is brief, intentional.
Secondary processing concludes.
The product moves onward.
The line advances again.
Automation now takes over.
Here, precision becomes automated. Human hands step back. Consistency replaces variation. Purification is layered. Quality is measured in real time. Balance is constant.
Movement without disturbance.
Verification never stops. Failure is designed out. Oversight remains human. The product takes shape.
Assembly is imminent.
Final formation begins.
Precision becomes the final form. And this is how modern factories produce snake wine from start to finish.